Have you ever wondered what Bhutan looks like from the sky? Imagine soaring above lush green valleys, rugged mountains, and vibrant temples. Bhutan offers breathtaking views that can only be experienced from above. In this video, we'll explore amazing drone shots capturing the beauty of the land of the Thunder Dragon. Bhutan is a unique country nestled in the Himalayas. It's known for its rich culture and stunning landscapes. Here, every corner reveals a new visual delight. But how do we see Bhutan in all its glory? The answer is drone technology. Drones provide a bird's-eye view that traditional photography can't capture. Let's dive into the steps of filming these incredible drone shots. First, we choose the right drone. Different drones have various capabilities. It's essential to find one that can capture high-quality video. Next, we plan our flight path. We must identify the best locations for stunning views. Popular spots include the Paro Taktsang monastery and Punakha Dzong. Once we have the right equipment and location, we prepare. Check the drone's battery, ensure we have a clear sky, and confirm local regulations. Each flight requires careful attention to detail. When everything is set, we launch the drone. As it ascends, the breathtaking scenery unfolds below. The best part? Drones allow us to capture dynamic footage. We can showcase sweeping panoramas and details that ground-level shots miss. Fluttering prayer flags, vibrant festivals, and serene monks come alive from the drone's perspective. For example, one breathtaking shot shows the Tiger Nest Monastery perched high on a cliff. The drone captures the mist rolling over the mountains, framing the monastery beautifully. This scene evokes a sense of peace and wonder, highlighting Bhutan's spiritual essence. In summary, capturing amazing views of Bhutan through drone technology transforms our understanding of this enchanting country. We see majestic landscapes, vibrant cultures, and hidden gems like never before. Now that you know how drones reveal Bhutan's beauty, it's time to explore. Grab your drone or plan your trip to Bhutan. Discover the incredible sights just waiting to be unveiled from the sky. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more breathtaking adventures.